This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to back up all the data on your Android phone before you reset it. So you can see on my Google Pixel here, I'm currently backing up the phone. Now to back this up, it's going to be a little bit different depending on if you're on a Samsung phone or maybe like a Motorola or Google Pixel. And here's my progress right here. So we can just swipe on down and then go to Settings and just select this. And go on down to System under your Google Pixel Motorola. And we want to select this, and there's an option for backup right here. Now on this phone, you might be limited to like 15 gigabytes, so I ended up turning off photos and videos. And then if you have like a USB flash drive and an adapter like this, you can just transfer all your photos and videos and documents to a USB flash drive. Just make sure it's formatted EXFAT so it works on your Android phone. So if you're limited, you have that option as well. Then on my Samsung phone here, it's a little bit easier. I can swipe on down from the top right, going down to Settings here. And then we want to look for the backup options under here. So we can go on down to where it says About Phone, and we can look under here. There's an option right here for Reset. Or it could be under General Management as well. And we have Temporary Cloud Backup. Backup unlimited data to Samsung Cloud for 30 days. Or restore the data you backed up. You can just tap into here, and then you can go to back up your data to your Samsung account. And it says you have an unlimited amount of data for 30 days. So back it up right here. Then after you reset your phone, come back here and go to restore data. Now you can do this with a external storage backup right here, a USB device as well. You can choose your SD card, or if you plug in that USB drive I showed you. Plug it in, transfer your data off of here. When you reset it now, you can come back into the section after you reset it, and you should be able to get everything back. So it's a little bit simpler with this because you're not restricted with the amount of data that you have. But look at this as an option. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.